Hi, my name is Celeste Michael Ude. In this demonstration is to show Promised Land, my proposal and how far I've gone with it, and to to show them exactly through this demonstration what I've written in my proposal. First, this is this is um, this is my this is the Promised Land EC2 instance, and it's running. It's really running, and it's running so well. So, and I will be demonstrating here. This is the public IP address, and that's what I'm using to log in 44.255.30.79. So let me connect to my EC2 instance. Yeah, I think I'm connected. First thing that I would like to do is to show that I'm connected, the server is up and it's running effectively. This is, I'll use this command hostname ctl. Yeah, this is a computer, is a virtual machine, and the operating system Ubuntu 2.26.04 LTS, and it's a Linux server that is running on AWS. The second thing that I want to show is the server roles that have been allocated. Then I'll do that through the sudo systemctl status smbd dash dash no dash pager. Yes, this clearly shows that I have the necessary things I'm supposed to have running. I have them running, and they're running effectively. So it's active and running. And on the next thing, to show here is the number 2, as it is in the as it is in the demonstration, is the file, the permissions that is given to the files, permissions for the respective groups. That is ls d slash s rv slash stamp a. Oh, let me do that again. SAMPA. Yes. This shows the different organizations in the Promised Land. We have applications, we have CRM, we have the director, we have the finance department, we have infrastructure department, and the operations. All these departments are what made up the Promised Land, and each are functioning differently. And then the files and folders in each of these departments, they can be viewed by the owner or the group. And restriction is applied in such a way that no external person can have, even a member of the Promised Land cannot have access to the application files, and the application files member or group cannot have access to CROM or director of finance or infrastructure and files and all that. So to show that firewall has been set up, show sudo UFW status superpose. This shows that the firewall is active. Sudo. Oh, I think I didn't get it correct. I missed S. Yes. This is it. It's showing that, look at it, status, it is active, the firewall is active and it's working perfectly well. Look at the default, deny incoming, allow outgoing, and disabled, routed, and all that. Next is to show the storage allocation. First, I would want to show the storage allocation using BLSK. Yes. Oh, okay. Let me use this command. BF H SRV slash Samba. This shows that I have an additional XVDF 20 GB storage capacity in there, and it's mounted already. As you can see, it said file system, this is it, and the file size is this. It's available 20 and it's mounted. Now, to verify the different departments that are using it, I will say ls space lh space slash srv samba. And this shows that this is the security of the files, DRO, WXR, and this shows that it's only the root user of applications that will have that, showing that each of the departments, applications, CRM, director of finance, infrastructure, and operations, that are the ones, they are the owners in the group, and they are the root users. So they will have all necessary privileges they are supposed to have. But then someone who's in finance cannot have the privileges for applications, files, and documents. This is a way of ensuring security, maintenance, and ensuring that every files are maintained and groups are also belongs to where they are supposed to. Then the number 6 here that I will looking at is the security measures, and I will use the ls slash ld to check the security measures that although it's here already, it's been shown already that DRO WXR dash XR dash X to root 6 and all that. This is what shows that each group belongs to where they're supposed to, and they don't have access to the other. But then slash SR slash some bar yes, just like before, it's still the same thing. It's still the same. That means that they belong to where they're supposed to. And the owners. Then the access control list as well. You can say sudo get back to us slash srv slash samba slash operations. This shows the owner of the file folders is that's the root. The owner is root. The group is root. The owner of these operations, the owner is root, and these are the security measures. Same thing is applicable to applications. Same is applicable to CRM and every other one. The next thing that it will show, I would want to show here is is the MOD, message of the day. This usually happens is a kind of welcome message warning an unauthorized access. Then you say cat/etc/MOTD. This display said Promised Land Data Center Linux file server, authorized users only. This system is owned and operated by, this is what it shows to whoever that want to have an unauthorized access to it, and even members who want to try to do something silly, to remind them that every log is being monitored to know who exactly is operating. Then I have to exit and log in again. Then the next one I want to show is the one they call cron tab. The cron tab is what this is what shows that the system is being rebooted at a particular time of the year, every 2 years or every 3 years, depending on how it's set. So I'll say sudo cron tab. So this is the settings that I've set, meaning that the 1st January in a certain year, that this system, the Promised Land, will reboot. It will reboot automatically by itself. You wouldn't need anyone to do it. When it restarts, it will start afresh. That should be every 3 years. Every 3 years on the January, it will restart again. I would want to show another thing, set update repositories and packages. Yes, to do that, I already done this, but then let me say sudo apt update. So it's updating, like as you can see here, it said all packages are up to date. Now, let me see if there's any new upgrade. I'll say sudo apt upgrade. So it says summary, upgrading 0, installing 0, removing 0, not upgrading 0, as in nothing, meaning that everything's been upgraded. Then on the last one that is here, it says CLI installation packet, but then it gave an instance with mute. Then this mute, I already installed it, but then it can be verified using mute-v. So this shows that mute has been installed. This is it. And the mute version is version 2.2.13. And it's 2024. This is a copyright. This is the copyright warranty. Then to verify further, you can as well say dpkg1 mute. No, dpkg This is the status. The name is mute, the version 2.2.13, one build and all that. Then it's an architecture. This is the description. So with this, it shows that I have successfully completed this, and the server is up and running, and the Promised Land departments or various departments are clearly secured, that to the point that anyone in each department will have access to the files and folders they are supposed to, and they wouldn't have access to other persons. Even an intruder would not be able to have an access. This is a security measure that organizations apply to ensure that no external body or even someone even a member of the organization doesn't have unauthorized access to files and folders. Thank you. for watching. I'm grateful.